YouTube, so I'll be covering primitive data types within Java. So essentially what a primitive data type is a variable type within at the top here when you declare it globally as an instance, as they call it, so it can be accessed throughout any method, or they also call it fields. So if I have an integer called hi and I don't provide any value and then I do a c.println hi, because it's a primitive data value, static and hi, because it's a primitive data value, it will have a value of 0. But meanwhile, if I have int hi in here, and I comment this out, one sec, static int hi, it will then say, the compilation will be because it has to be accessed before giving a value. This is because the primitive data value is only when they are globally, and this will provide a stock value of 0 for integers. Similarly, if you make a double, the output will be 0.0, so that's the primitive data value for doubles. If you have a boolean, the primitive data value will be false. But if you have a boolean within here, it will be a compilation error because the value will not be found. This can apply to all of them except even string would output null, float, and all of the different types. Now remember, strings are classes because they start with an uppercase, but the pattern would follow with that as well. Similarly with C, if you take out this line, with this system.out.println, it will output null, but if you do a C equals new console, it will output the hexadecimal address for hsa.console. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.